This assessment asks us to determine if the first step of ozonolysis is a redox reaction or not, based on the oxidation numbers of the atoms involved. So up here I've got the alkene. Both carbons of the alkene are at their oxidation number is -1 in the starting compound. In the product, both of these carbons have an oxidation number of 0. So these carbons have given up electrons and been oxidized. Well, if one molecule is oxidized, then something else must be reduced. If we look at the overall oxidation state of the oxygens in ozone, they start out at 0, and these oxidations in these oxygens in the product end up with an overall number of -2. And so the ozone in this reaction has been reduced, the carbons have been oxidized. We can also think of that intuitively. These carbons in the product have more bonds to oxygen, they've been oxidized.